Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best kitchen pans organizer on the market, the Deco Brothers Pan Organizer Rack in a sleek bronze finish. If you've been struggling with cluttered cabinets and messy countertops, this organizer promises to bring order and style to your kitchen space. Right out of the box, the Deco Brothers Pan Organizer Rack impresses with its solid alloy steel construction and a powder-coated bronze finish that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It measures 9 inches deep, 9.5 inches wide, and 11.75 inches high, making it a compact yet practical solution that fits well on countertops or inside cabinets. What really sets this organizer apart is its versatility. You can install it standing vertically or horizontally, depending on the space you have available and how you prefer to arrange your cookware. This flexibility means you can maximize your cabinet height by stacking vertically or lay it flat across your cabinet shelves to separate pans, lids, and baking trays neatly. It can even be used on your countertop for easy access to frequently used cookware. The rack features 5 sturdy tiers designed to hold up to 5 pans or lids, helping you save valuable space by eliminating clutter and making your kitchen more efficient. It's lightweight and portable but can be securely fastened to a fixed position using the included screw, ensuring stability and preventing tipping, even when fully loaded. Assembly is a breeze and takes just a few minutes. The design is simple but effective, allowing you to organize your pans without any complicated installation. Plus, the bronze finish is both stylish and durable, complementing a variety of kitchen decors. This organizer is a product from a small business brand, emphasizing quality and thoughtful design to help you organize your space effortlessly. Whether you use it in your kitchen cabinet, on your countertop, or even in your workspace for organizing files or craft supplies. The Deco Brothers Pan Organizer Rack offers multi-functional use that goes beyond just cookware. In summary, if you're looking for a practical, stylish, and adaptable solution to your pan and lid storage problems, the Deco Brothers Pan Organizer Rack stands out as an excellent choice. It saves space, looks great, and offers multiple setup options to fit your unique kitchen needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.